Hey campers, welcome to a tutorial. I'm Chelsea and today we are going to be learning how to tie-dye your t-shirt. So this is a super fun craft activity that we're going to be doing together. So what are the materials that you're going to need to do this tie-dye activity with me? That's a great question. What you're going to need is you're going to need your t-shirt that's in your box. You are also going to need your little cup of soda ash. So this is very important and we don't want to forget this step. So make sure you have your soda ash, make sure that you have your elastic bands, and then make sure that you have your tie-dye powder. Now your tie-dye powder is in a little cup just like this, so you don't need to measure it out. It's already measured for you. So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna get a bowl. Now it's gotta be a bit bigger than a regular sized bowl because your t-shirt's gonna need to soak in there. So make sure you have a bowl. In this case, I have a bucket. You can use this too. What you're gonna do is you're gonna fill your bucket halfway full with water. So mine is already halfway full. Then you're going to take your soda ash and you're going to pour it into your bucket. So once you poured your soda ash into your half full bucket or bowl of water, you're gonna wanna stir this. So stir it all up so that it's not gritty on the bottom. So we're gonna stir, 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 stir. Woo, splashing. We're gonna stir our water and our soda ash. That should be good. Then you're gonna take your t-shirt and you're gonna put it in your water with your soda ash. So you're gonna put it into the water. Okay, so now that we have our t-shirt soaking in here, you're gonna wanna put this to the side for 20 minutes. So make sure to ask your parents or an older sibling to set a timer for 20 minutes, and then I'll see you back after that. Okay, campers, now that we're back from letting our t-shirt sit in the soda ash for 20 minutes, what you're gonna do is you're gonna first wring out all of the water so that there's no water dripping off of the t-shirt. And then you're gonna take your t-shirt and you're gonna lay it flat down on a surface. Then, this is the fun part, we get to make our design. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our elastic bands that you have here and you're going to start to twist your shirt in different ways all over. And you're gonna take your elastic band and you're going to tie it off like that. Then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. Okay, so now that our shirt is all elastic banded up, we're gonna mix our tie-dye powder now. So you're gonna take your cup of tie-dye powder and you're only gonna pour about half of this into your cup of water. So we're gonna pour about half, that should be good, into our cup of water and take a spoon and stir this around. Stir it up until there's no powder left and it's all liquid. Okay, campers, the next step is to put your elastic banded t-shirt inside of a bowl or a tub like this. Then you're gonna wanna put on gloves for this step. If you don't, your fingers turn red. So you're gonna, or green, you're gonna take your t-shirt, you're gonna put it inside of your bin, then you're going to take your tie-dye mix and you're going to pour gently over top of your shirt in the areas that you want it to be. Or you can take your spoon and you can go like this, take a little bit and pour it on top of your shirt like that. Okay, campers, next step after you've poured your tie-dye liquid onto your t-shirt, you're going to take the shirt, you're gonna get the dye out like that. Make sure you're wearing gloves. Now, I'm not wearing gloves and I have red fingers. But if you're doing this with the green tie-dye, if you're in another week, then you will have green fingers if you don't wear the gloves. Okay, so now we're gonna put our t-shirt inside of our bag right here. So put it inside of your plastic bag and make sure that it is sealed tight. So now you're gonna let your bag and your t-shirt sit for 12 to 24 hours in a warm spot. Alrighty campers, now that you've let it sit for 12 to 24 hours, what you're gonna wanna do is take it out of your bag, and then you're going to rinse it with cold water, then you're going to soak it with soapy water in warm water, and then you're going to rinse it again with cold water to get all those bubbles out. And then, once it's done, you can have your grand reveal. Ready? Ta-da! Your shirt will look like this. How fun is that? And make sure it's all dry before you wear it because you don't want to be wet. Thank you for joining me, campers, for a craft activity tutorial for your tie-dye t-shirt. My name's Chelsea, and I hope you had so much fun as I did. I will see you again next time. Bye!